Gang, Mike here, head trader at True Trading Group, and it is April 8th, my birthday. But a red day for me, so no birthday wishes for me today. A red day. Slow action today, guys. There really wasn't a lot of action at all. I came into the day, there was nothing going on in small caps. The lead gappers on the day were super, super cheap stocks. I mean, I'm talking stocks that are below $1, 24 cents, 17 cents. I mean, here, if you guys look at the top gainer list right now. Look at this, 24 cents, 17 cents, 73 cents, 17 cents, 39 cents, 17 cents, 46, 18. It's like 63, 56. Like, what the hell? Like, it was just all these super cheap stocks. I usually don't trade them. The only one that I did actually tried to place a trade on VTL today. Took a loss on it. I shorted Roku on the gap down. I took a loss on that. And that was it. And I really didn't push anything. And you guys have to be able to pull the reins back on yourself and drop yourself down to first, second gear. Sometimes even hell, put it in neutral, put it in park. Because sometimes you just have to be content with the red day, and as long as if it's a manageable loss, just book it. Book the loss, and then tomorrow's a new day with new opportunities, and you go about your business. Today was not a day to keep grinding it out. Today was not a day to keep pushing, and you have to be able to recognize that action, so you don't just sit there and you're pedal to the metal, but you're going right up against the brick wall, and you're not going to win that battle, and you can make it worse for yourself. Okay, so after I took those two losses early in the morning, I just shut it down, and I didn't just leave for the day. I mean, I still sat here. I scanned around. I looked for different setups, and I didn't find anything. I mean, I couldn't find anything that I really loved. So I just shut it down. And sometimes, that's okay. Rather than, keep trying to go after it and keep going after it, and you make it worse for yourself, and you end up turning a manageable red day into an absolute disaster. Okay, so red day for me today on my birthday, which sucks, but it happens. Guys, tomorrow's TGD Tuesday. Chat room's open, free for everybody. Come in, say what's up, shoot me a private message, see my screen, hear me on the mic live, walking you through my analysis, see what I'm trading, and the rest of the TGD family and the other moderators that we have in there. Go to www.truetradinggroup.com. Upper right-hand corner, you'll see a link that says TGD Tuesday. Click on that, register, and you will get a link that'll give you access to our chat room tomorrow for free for the entire day. Okay? So I hope to see many of you there. If you guys do pop in, make sure to shoot me a message, say what's up, let me know you're from the YouTube community. I always love to hear from you guys. All right, so let's start things off with Roku. Okay, Roku had a big gap down here today. Initial weakness off the bell, and I tried to get short on some consolidation, looking for some continuation to the downside. We didn't get it. I'll take you to the daily chart and show you guys why. This $60 level, okay, the $60 level that you see drawn across right here. You see how we had previous resistance here. We broke through it, came back in. Okay, it held support, and now we were gapping below that level. Okay, pre-market. Okay, so if I go in here, okay, right off the bell, you see we open up and boom, we get right below it, and then we just start to consolidate in here. Okay, you see that moment of consolidation right there is where I decided to pull the trigger, and I got short Roku right there, guys. Okay, right there is my Roku short, and I was giving it right up to the high of the day. Take it to my trade announcements. All right, let me zoom in a little bit further for you. Here you guys can see at 940, short Roku at 59.23. Stop loss was right around the high of the day, and you can see we ended up breaking through the high of the day, and I stopped out of my Roku position right there. Back to my trade announcements here. You guys can see covered Roku 60.40. Okay, so first trade of the day, took an L on that Roku short, and I was really just looking for this level, this $60 level that we just pushed through. We started to consolidate down here. I was looking for us to stay below it and then roll over. When we got denied right there, okay, I thought I was golden. See that red candle? I thought I was golden, and I thought this was just going to roll, and we were going to get new lows, and I thought that's what we were going to get on Roku, and it just stuck it. It just stuck that, reversed it, went back up, made a new high, and then just consolidated, just traded sideways the whole day. You can see it just traded sideways the whole day. No real direction one way or the other on that Roku. So I took an L there. And then VTL, we traded VTL on Friday. On Friday, I caught this move. I was long there and out there. So that was my move on Friday. And we were looking to see if VTL actually gave us continuation through Friday's highs, but also more importantly, 75 cents was a gap entry point. Okay, so here's 75 cents. So we opened up off the bell, and this move happened out of nowhere. It was actually very quiet open for VTL. Volume was light. The stock wasn't moving. Then all of a sudden, I don't know what the hell happened. It just exploded. This thing went from 55 cents to 90 cents in like 20 minutes. No real pullback. It just ripped. And then during this little period of consolidation here, okay, right in here, it's just, I'm looking for myself the 75-cent level, which was that gap entry point. You also had the trade line that was coming up here, and I just got long a little piece in here, guys, okay, at 80 cents. Back to my trade announcement, so you can see long at 80 cents. And then I sold out right here. Okay, so there's my losing trade on VTL, and that also just kind of traded sideways the rest of the day. No real direction on that one either. And then after that, I just shut it down. Okay, I just shut it down. There wasn't anything else that I loved. I was looking, I scanned, I was looking for A+ setups. I couldn't find a single one. NBEV made a really nice move, but I didn't catch NBEV, but it ended up making a nice move in the afternoon. And this is really the only one, like the only small cap that actually made a good move today, and it was in the afternoon. The morning trade was kind of choppy and extended in the afternoon, and that was really it. Other than that, small caps were pretty quiet, and also, mid caps, large caps were also quiet. There wasn't a lot of direction. We had the gap down in the market. We sold off. We rallied it back, and then we just chopped around during lunch, and then we pushed up to new highs. It went green on the day on the SPY, and the Dow kind of lagged a little bit because of Boeing mostly dragging it down. And it was just kind of an uneventful day. So tomorrow's a new day, new opportunities, and I hope to see many of you in chat with us again. Tomorrow it is free, guys. TGG Tuesday. It's open, free for everybody the whole day. Go to TrueTradingGroup.com, upper right-hand corner. You'll click on TGG Tuesday. Fill out the form, you'll register, and you'll get a link that'll give you access to the chat room for free, okay? If you guys do pop in tomorrow from the YouTube community, make sure to send me a message, say what's up. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow.